Hey guys, it's Tony W. Today we will do a review of this ALLPOWERS 60-watt folding solar panel that's very portable. It's good for camping and also doing some off-the-grid work. I usually pair it with my Jackery Explorer 240. In fact, I actually just put it on the windshield of my car, run the cable through the door, and plug it into my Jackery Explorer 240. So anyways, let's do a quick unboxing of this thing. So what it came with was several cables like this alligator clip cable. It comes with also a inline 10 amp fuse. There's also a power cable, so you could plug in different power cables to this thing to your to charge your power stations, and multiple adapters. So it has adapters for other power stations and different sizes as well. So, and about 4 carabiners, which you actually hook to, let's say, a tree or or hang it or something. Here's the solar controller. There is a parallel port, so you could link another one of these power solar panels together. 2 USB ports on the top, as well as where the power cable plugs in, so it goes to your power station. So when there's power, it basically lights up green on the little LED light. So that's how you know it's going. Now, the packaging is pretty interesting. It's very simple. Basically, it's very lightweight, which is nice. It's much lighter weight than my other solar panel that's a 60 watt because there's, it's just basically 2 panels and basically a kickstand and stuff. It's very lightweight and about half the weight because it only has 2 panels. Anyways, the kickstands come off. It's actually buttoned onto the back of the solar panel. So you can actually adjust this by rebuttoning it and repositioning the angle of your solar panel on the ground. The solar controller, where the ports go out, goes right outside the zipper line. So not exactly the most smartest design, but it still works. Anyways, I'm going to just use the solar panels on my windshield, as well as my roof line and also my rear window of my car, so I could get the maximum amount of sun during the day. I've been getting about roughly 30 to 40 watts with continuous sun by moving it along the path of the sun. So it's been pretty cool. Normally this Jackery 240 could accept about 62 watts using their power supplies, using the cigarette lighter 12 volt or the AC adapter. So it goes about 62 watts. So we're using a 60 watt. It says in the manual it takes about 7 hours, which seems kind of right if it goes at about 30 to 40 watts. So yeah, it works, which is good. And I could basically charge this thing for about 5 or 6 hours or even 7 hours a day to keep it going during camping. Now it is a little bit bigger than my other folding solar panel because it basically only has 2 folds or 1 fold versus this one folds like in 4 pieces. So to each their own, but this is actually a lot lighter than this 4-fold one or 4-panel one because it has a lot less material, so it's a lot more simpler too. Anyways, guys, it's Tony W, and I hope this review was helpful to you. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.